Either one of you know how to drive? No? Oh, that's no problem. Well, my dad used to let me back the car down the driveway once.
I have to take a trip, Johnny. I may be gone for a while, and you're in charge of the casino.
Jogging. I believe it's jogging or yogging. It might be a soft J. I'm not sure, but apparently you just run for an extended period of time. It's supposed to be wild.
It's 1:30 already. It's morning.
Yes, and what a lovely morning.
Everything's a tragedy. Everything hurts. Everything's a tidal wave. Deeper submersed when there's too many minutes and there's too many miles in between. Too many minutes.
Have you always wanted to climb the mountains of Mars?
Why don't you come a little closer? I wanna feel your heartbeat beat. Why don't you come a little closer? You're too far away from me.
Isn't it gorgeous?
Is it real? It is very real.
Everything's far away. Everything's blurred. Everything is turned to gray. Colors and words. When there's too many minutes and there's too many miles in between.
You still have the diamond.
I ran in the desert. That's why I'm such a mess.
Why don't you come a little closer? I wanna feel your heartbeat beat. Why don't you come a little closer? You're too far away from me. Beep, beep. Why don't you come a little closer? I wanna feel your heartbeat beat. Why
This part of my life,
come a little closer?
this part here,
You're too far away.
it's called running.
Why don't you come a little closer? I wanna feel your heartbeat beat. Why don't you come a little closer? You're too far away from me.
It's beautiful, isn't it? Just like I knew it would be.